In this video, we are going to focus on solving linear equations. So let's begin with this example. X plus 5 is equal to 8. How can we solve this linear equation? Here we need to calculate the value of x. Now you might be wondering, what is x? X is a variable. It has a value that we don't know yet. And x is just basically a number. We just need to find out the value of that number. So now let's think about this equation. What number plus 5 is equal to 8? If you think about it, we know that 2 plus 5 is equal to 8. So in this equation, x has a value of 3. But how do we show our work to get this answer? X is added to 5 and that equals 8. To solve the equation, what you want to do is, you want to get the x variable by itself on one side of the equation. To do that is to get rid of the 5. So what you need to do is perform the opposite operation of what you see here. The opposite of addition is subtraction. So we need to subtract both sides by 5. Whatever you do to the left side, you must also do to the right side. Positive plus 5 negative 5 adds up to 0, so they cancel. Now we are going to bring down the x. Here we have 8 minus 5, so we get x is equal to 2 as we see here. So that's how we could solve that particular linear equation. Now let's say we have 4x is equal to 12. How we can calculate the value of x? So let's think about this. 4 times what number is equal to 12? When you see a number in the variable attached like that, the connection between them is multiplication. 4 times one number is 12. We know that 4 times 3 is 12. Therefore, x is equal to 3 in this example. But now how do we show our work to get this answer? To get x by itself, we need to separate the x from the 3. In order to separate it, we need to perform the opposite operation of what we see here. The x is multiplied by 4, and what operation is opposite to multiplication? We know that to be division. So what we are going to do is, we are going to use the division. So we are going to divide both sides by 4. 4x divided by 4, 4 divided by 4 is 1, so they cancel, and 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3, so x equals 3.